welcome to another one of our videos. Today, we have JJ.
No, you're not doing it. Welcome back to one of and J. Yeah, our main channel. So this is our second video, and we're playing another Ignited Nightmare, and we have 3 special guests for this video. And
Come in.
Well, how about we just bring them and they introduce themselves? Come on, guys.
Yeah.
Come.
Hi.
What's up? So you have to introduce yourself. Just look at Possible and just introduce yourself.
Possible, my name is Jacory.
Oh my God.
My YouTube really has 80 subscribers. I'm gonna murder you.
So, yeah, subscribe to him. Yeah, he needs subscribers.
And
Ethan, you
Introduce.
My name is Mr. O. I live 492.454.69.
No, that's your address. Okay, now Ethan,
My name is Eddie. I'm with 2 of my friends, and I will start posting videos on TikTok and YouTube.
Subscribe to him.
Subscribe to me. Videos. That's Ice Monkey VR.
All right.
Just
Let's
girl
get
tag.
into this.
Let's
Ready,
get
go.
this game.
Let's
It's
go.
literally
I
not
want to.
It looks scary.
I see you guys down the hole.
I forgot to grab my flashlight, but I found a present. Mr. O, behind you. Mr. O, behind you. Oh God! Oh!
Hello.
Present. I don't know what Mr. O's doing. Play my video game.
Oh my god.
That old granny trying to chase me.
Oh God, you got jump scared.
Help me! Help me! So many people are gonna think I'm annoying, bro.
Bring my dog.
You thought
Birdie, my
was
dog. Aw.
Guys, wait for me.
Birdie.
This little white girl's chasing me, bro. She want me.
Harry Potter, is that you?
You're Ethan, you know you are.
Ding, ding,
You're a carrot.
Don't call me Carrie, you numbskull.
Well, you Granny. Oh, we got this present. Mr. O, did you know you're white?
Why is that to the police officer? Why is that to me?
It's a white girl.
Also, you're in party chat.
I know.
Oh my god. Oh,
They can hear your
ankles,
party chat.
ankles.
This again.
Dun,
Oh,
dun, dun,
okay.
dun, 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 dun,
Come on,
dun, dun, dun.
So, oh my god.
Bro, this endoskeleton just scared the poop out of
Harry,
me.
why'd you do that?
That's $1. That's $1.
Present.
I got one gift.
Ethan, are you aware of your skin tone?
I hate your skin tone.
Yeah.
Skibbity
Yeah.
roll.
I'm
Skibbity
rapping on this
roll.
beat, rapping on puppet, boy. You got 3 fingers. Couldn't be.
I don't like that.
Ring, ding, 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 ding.
Guys, I'm gonna say the word.
No.
I'm gonna say the word.
I got two. I need 3 more.
To make possible edit, bro. Bro, all of us scream.
Skibbity roll. Skibbity roll.
Skibbity,
Skibbity roll.
skibbity.
Ring, ding, 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 ding.
Oh my God, I think Possible got the murdered. I think Possible just died.
Possible,
Oh my
you're
God.
He's up to
You're
JJ. He's up to JJ.
you're
Possible, you're a numbskull.
Yup, num nut.
Ding, 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 ding.
Numbnut, Nick.
Mister, you gotta hold it in, bro.
I can't hold it in for much longer.
I hope you actually die in real life. That's why y'all dogs dead. That's why you suffer from obesity, part 3.
What the
Ding,
fuck?
ding, ding, ding,
3, that's 3.
I got 2 out of 5.
my God.
I got 2 out of 5. Ring, ding, ding.
I have 1 out of 5.
Possible, I'm bringing her to you.
Rapping on his beat, she got 2 fingers.
I have a
2 fingers.
frappuccino.
4.
Possible, don't leave behind you.
4.
I can only count to
Oh
4.
God.
This game kind of
She knocked me out the
I
map,
cannot
bro.
count to 4. I cannot
Yeah.
count to 4.
I can only count to 4.
my
You let it right towards you.
Oh my god.
Guys, help! Guys, help!
Do not go
Are you
over
aware
there.
of your skin tone?
Only in
Yes,
authority,
you control-
Mr. O.
Oh, she's black. She's black. She's black.
What?
What?
She's blacker than
I
Michael.
hear.
Mr. O, chill. Don't say
We got
it,
Michael,
Mr.
we got
O.
Michael, we got Michael.
Don't you say it.
She's a.
No!
If you hold it in, I'll do a role play
color
with you.
chocolate bar.
If you hold it in, I'll do a role play with you.
Yeah, we'll do it.
I don't know. if
Inviting you to this was a bad idea.
Bringing my grandma into this was a bad idea.
Wait, you said they can't hear me. Wait, you said they can't hear me in game?
Papa G.
Yeah, they can hear you on Snapchat.
They can't hear me. They can't hear me in game.
Yeah, they can't hear you.
Okay, bet.
Where's the exit? I got one more. I got the last one.
Oh, did you see?
I'm trying to get this present, but all of you guys trying to fucking goddamn kill me.
DJ, I'm not. I got the last one. I'm heading to the exit.
Bro, you literally led that little white girl to me. I don't know what you on about. Hey, Nick.
You said life goes on and on and on.
4 to 5 boxes. I know where the last box is.
Where's the exit? Where's the exit?
Oh,
I thought going around the corner.
I hate white little girls. Can I put them in the lip? I be eating their. Ooh, I can't say that word on this channel.
No.
Put some in the lip. Yeah, big.
JJ, help me find the exit. I got the last one. I have the last one.
I hate my girls because they always in my basement.
Papa G. Papa G. Papa G.
Papa G, Papa G.
Papa G. Papa
Bro, this video is so
I'm
weird.
trying to get this goddamn present.
This video came straight out of the dark web. This video's gonna be on the dark web,
I
bro.
escaped.
We're gonna get murdered.
Papa J. Gotta go to the exit.
I got a full
Bro,
on
leave me
butthole
alone,
on
you
my face.
disabled white boy.
Michael, where's the exit at?
If you don't leave me alone, I'm gonna block you, bro.
Oh no.
This kid, no,
This guy hates you. Bro, why you on my meat?
This kid, bubble
Mr. O,
J.
you're still in app chat.
What do I get for, like,
I can barely hear you, Mr. O. Exit.
the people who made
Mr. O, are
Is
you
this,
aware that you like
ink?
butter my tip?
Rec Room Studio.
this
No, it's
kid,
not
dog, this kid, bubble
the
J.
balloons are. Most of this is made out of Rec Room Studio.
Yeah.
No, it's mostly
Yeah.
made out of
Yeah.
V1.
Yeah, I hate
Rap
it.
it on this beat.
Bro, this endoskeleton keeps scaring me, bro.
Tots
As long
every
as you don't
why.
say it in the video, I'll do a role play or something. I don't fucking know.
I
Just
can't.
don't say it in
I'm
the
saying
video.
it in the video. I'm not saying it in the video. I'm saying in app chat. They can't hear me in app chat.
Oh yeah.
Cause shut up.
I was just saying as long as you don't say it in the video. Oh, this idiot.
Ethan, are you aware that you're black? Move your big booty cheeks out my face.
That's why you're still getting
Guys,
dressed.
I'm getting bored, guys.
At least a
I'm getting
little
bored.
white girl likes me more than you.
Guys,
That's
I'm
how you
getting
know I got
I
bored.
don't want the little white girl to like.
Guys, I'm getting bored. Guys, I'm getting bored. Guys,
Well,
I'm
it's a
getting
YouTube
Our
video.
guest is
Yeah.
getting bored, guys. Our guest is getting bored.
This
Couch
kid,
every reason
dog,
why
this
this
kid,
little white
bubble
girl went
J.
missing. Cousin me.
All right, we gotta do the
What?
outro. This is
William
starting to
Afton,
get
is that you?
starting to get weird.
Okay.
I love how the Shaggy. I love how
Just
William
leave.
the William Afton actor in the FNAF movie is the same
Possible, I
guy
have
who
a
played
good
the Shaggy
idea.
in the live action
How
Scooby
about for our
Doo.
third video, we play Backrooms Out Scene?
I mean, just basically.
Bro,
This
Yeah,
kid,
yeah.
bubble.
I know where the exit is.
Hurry up. This is my last.
Get me
present.
out of this hellhole.
Black boy.
I'm trapped in here and I really don't know.
Black boy.
I'm trapped in here and I really don't know. I'm getting chased by a puppet.
gonna go to
a
the
puppet.
exit.
She's cold. She's controlled by strings and Five Nights at Freddy's. I don't know.
Oh,
Who
no,
sang
it's
that
all
Tried to do my
one?
trick, didn't you?
I'm gonna escape. Yeah. I'm gonna
I'm getting
escape. Come on. Come on.
Five Nights at Freddy's.
Yes.
Hey! Hey, come
I'm
here.
out.
Come here, you little kid.
I'm out.
Little puss.
I'm complete.
Get!
She's still behind me. She's still behind me.
All right.
Get lit. Oof.
Yeah, I smacked him in his lip.
All right, everybody
Smack the
dies
man
so
is
we can
lit.
do the outro.
Yeah, we're gonna do the outro.
This
You
was
guys can still
You
see
only
this.
last your videos for like 9 minutes.
Our memory on our
But if we do the
headsets,
video for too long, then the video's not gonna upload.
Yeah, you have to verify your channel and download YouTube Studio.
YouTube Nick.
I already did that.
Biscuit bad, biscuit bubble jet.
though. Guys.
Ah!
Oh well, I guess left. All right.
One more still can't be an outro.
That's the end of our video.
Someone
back.
doesn't
The
get
end
my
of
point
our
possible. You're
video.
ugly. You're
Alright.
ugly. You're ugly possible. You're ugly. You're tall.
We gotta do an outro. Shut up. Okay.